Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to register for remote jobs on Deel. So let's get started. First, visit the official Deel website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and create a contractor account using your email address. Once you're logged in, complete your profile by adding your personal details, work experience, skills, and preferred payment method. A complete profile helps you get verified faster and makes you more attractive to potential clients. If a company invites you to work through Deel, simply accept the invitation, review the contract, and complete any required verification steps. Once everything is approved, you'll be ready to receive payments and manage your remote work directly through your Deel dashboard. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.